Hi, this is Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity, and welcome back after the Thanksgiving holiday. I hope you had fun with your friends and family, and we're back with the new modern Mediterranean diet. Welcome to this section, So What's for Dinner, where I show you what I'm cooking tonight and serving tonight for the judges for the new modern Mediterranean diet testing. My name is Chef Giuseppe, and let's check together the menu before I start firing the food. Today we're starting with a cauliflower soup that is reducing over here cauliflower and garlic and sage that I roasted and puree cooked in about 12-13 minutes. And then as entree, I'm going to serve a fillet of Mahi Mahi fish that we're going to marinate very quick with extra virgin olive oil, lemon, and the fresh oregano. Here you are. And we're going to be broiling the fish over here in about 12 minutes. It will be cooking 390 degrees. I'm going to serve it with a wild rice mix. Then I'm going to saute with a little butter. And then I have some green beans. Then I'm going to be serving with extra virgin olive oil and garlic. So we're going to start the judges with the ciabatta bread. It's almost ready. I'm roasting this about 7 minutes in the oven. I'm going to be serving with, sorry about the phone, I'm going to be serving this with extra virgin olive oil dipping sauce and balsamic vinegar and extra virgin olive oil. So this is what we're having tonight for dinner. And this is an example of what you can do with my recipes on mealsforlongevity.com. Slowly I'm starting to publish. I had a few more soups, including beet soup. You can go on mealsforlongevity.com and download the recipe for $1 in the section Chef E recipes. Subscribe on this channel on YouTube and also on the website to receive my updates. And I'll see you for the next video at time eating well with Meals for Longevity.